to the Ocean Breeze Athletic Complex, the new home of elite indoor track and field in the U.S. The inaugural Ocean Breeze Grand Prix brings both locals and national class athletes to the starting line. The featured event on the program, the Men's Mile. 8 laps of the lightning-fast Ocean Breeze Bank Track. Adidas athlete Robbie Andrews moves to the front and carries it to the finish line. The first sub-4 minute mile of the season at Ocean Breeze.
Field was great, so I don't want to take anything for granted. But I felt good when I went, and really happy to win on Staten Island. You never know what guys have left, but I just went for it and closed as hard as I could.
The Ocean Breeze Grand Prix, showcasing athletes at their best.